Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 21st, 2023. 4-star Sudoku. 8th row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 8th grade, we have 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 9. 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. It will come here one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 10th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column F, column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 9. Second row, we will add 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Fourth row, column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, third row, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we will add 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. It will come in another these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Confirm later. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 8, 9, 5. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. Third row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. Column F, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 7, 5. 5th row, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Then only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 6 and 5 will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 8, 3. Column I, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 8 also here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. Fifth row. Column J we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J only one number is remaining. 9 and is confirmed here. Then column E only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column H 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Sixth row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then sixth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then sixth row only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. Column B we will give 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then second grade only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then first grade 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. Column B will give 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column B we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.